staas.fund/agile, Peter's free Scrum and Agile workshop.
17,000 professionals have done this training since 2012.
It's the pre-work for his certified live classes, and it's free.
No sign-up, no paywall, just the work.
16 video lessons, 94 CSM practice questions, 40 CSPO.
133 exam questions drilled to mastery.
The same prep 1,100 students used before sitting Peter's certified class.
16 lessons, lesson 1, Miro in the workshop format.
Then Cinefin, Scrum Theory, the 3 roles, the 5 events, the 3 artifacts.
Every lesson is a video. The same ground Peter covers live in the certified class.
Then the quizzes, 94 CSM questions, pulled straight from real exam patterns.
Take it, score yourself, find the gaps, go back to the lessons.
Same for CSPO, 40 more.
And the resource library, ScrumMaster, Product Owner, Coaching, free downloads.
Decades of Peter's notes, templates, slides, worksheets.
Most of this used to cost $2,000 to access.
Start lesson 1 or jump to the quiz.
Want the live certification? Book his CSM or CSPO class.
17,000 pros can't be wrong.
staas.fund/agile.